Dipsies, downriggers, and birds, so we're going to be across the board, so we'll be fine.
Alright, see if it's all true.
He says he's got 2-foot rollers with no waves, so that should...
Why can't you pass there? Where's that?
Film the harbor as we head out. What?
Fish!
I can. 63 way more, inside 50, outside 95.
We got the rods in the background, we got one in the box.
Sweet. Nice morning. Hopefully the fish will agree. It's a lot of birds.
Yeah. Yeah?
John knows when the fish are on.
That's right.
Good thing he tells me. At least we didn't lose our yellowbird. That's good.
No.
Yeah.
Just some tackle.
Yeah.
We were,
John
how many?
and Bill limit out. Not bad. Not bad.
We were,
See what happens when we don't bring Daryl.
yeah, we have a great day.
8 limits, beautiful weather.
High percentage.
It's almost like God is smiling on us when we don't bring Daryl.
It is Sunday.
Yeah.
Fishy, 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 fishy. Pop. 2-2, right? If you're hungry, right? There's Dan.
It's fun hanging out with your dad and your buddies. Yeah. You're learning so much about fishing and life in general.
Gotta love it. Right time to get off the water.